Hello everyone, this is Somya and you're watching The Global Tales. Welcome back to my channel, and as the title suggests, it is a PCOD reversal plan and the lifestyle change. So as we see that PCOD and PCOS has been growing among women nowadays, and the root cause of this problem is the lifestyle that you're not able to develop for yourself, not taking good care of yourself, not taking good care of what you're eating, your nutrition, your workouts. Nothing has been taken care of in the way it should be, and your lifestyle has not been up to the maximum priority in your life. So yes, this is the growing concern among women nowadays, and it's important that you develop a lifestyle for yourself. So today in this video, I'm going to give you a PCOD reversal lifestyle plan, a lifestyle change that you should incorporate in your life so that you can get better with the symptoms, you can get better with PCOD, PCOS, and also if you're on medication, you can get better results with it. Having said, with this lifestyle change pattern that I'm going to give you today, you need to follow the medications that you have been given with your doctor, that has been recommended to you by your gynecologist, because it's important that you consult your gynecologist and go for the medication as well. Yes, in this video, I'm going to give you a complete lifestyle pattern that can help you in getting reduced symptoms of PCOS and PCOD. So first and foremost, let's talk about the nutrition. The lifestyle nutrition plan that I would suggest is to go for a good and a very important meal planning that gives you 5 meals a day, making sure that your metabolism in check and making sure that you are giving your body complete nutrition at every point in day, giving it enough energy. So 5 meals a day is what I recommend. Even if you're going for intermittent fasting or you're not going for intermittent fasting, this is what I recommend. Begin your day with an early morning drink. Then after that, after about 2 hours, then go for breakfast. If you're going for intermittent fasting, have a gap of at least 2 hours, then go with breakfast. Then make sure that you go with the morning snack, then your lunch, then your evening snack and your dinner. So this is how your 5 meals should be there in your plan for any kind of ailment, especially PCOD, because your metabolism plays a very important role in developing a good lifestyle, and this helps you in boosting your metabolism. So have a 5 meals a day, and all of these meals, when had in a proper portion, will help you boost your metabolism, get better with your digestion, and hence help you in PCOD and PCOS. I recommend some foods for PCOS that needs to be added in your lifestyle. First and foremost has to be green leafy vegetables, because they're packed with vitamins and minerals and rich in dietary fiber. Next up is tomatoes. They have carotenoids that can help you fight against the eye related problems that can be developed because of your PCOS and PCOD. Then if you're a non-vegetarian, go with salmon, because they can actually help you get good amount of protein and is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Next up is berries. They are highly fibrous, they have good amount of antioxidants and really good for your health as well. So add berries to your diet for sure. Next important thing that needs to be added in your diet is spinach, because they are iron rich, also boosts hydration and contains vitamin K that aids good bone health. So yes, add spinach to your diet. Next up is the nuts, rich in vitamins and have lots of bioactive compounds and has high quality vegetable protein. So if you're a vegetarian looking for protein sources, then nuts is your go-to option. Then add dark chocolate to raise good cholesterol, and make sure that you add a spice called cinnamon in your diet. We can see that PCOS is fastly growing among women, and the major reason is that they're not taking good care of themselves. They're not taking good care of their proper nutrition, their diet, not taking care of the lifestyle that they should develop for themselves. And yes, this PCOS is fastly growing, but is completely reversible. If you take care of your diet, if you take care of your lifestyle, then you can definitely get rid of it without any medication. So in this journey of reversing the PCOS, HK Vitals has this PCOS balance with herbs that can actually help you reverse your PCOS with good diet and good workout. So this PCOS balance with herbs has some amazing herbs like shatavari, chatsberry, cinnamon and many other herbs that can actually help you in balancing your hormones. Along with that, can help you relieve stress and get you good sleep. All of these things are 100% natural, they are 100% vegetarian, that can actually help you get better with your PCOS. This HK Vital PCOS Balance with Herbs is a nutritional supplement crafted to help women manage PCOS symptoms. It is enriched with shatavari, myo-inositol, folic acid, cinnamon and chadsberry. This potent combination of plant-based ingredients helps in managing hormonal imbalance, weight fluctuations, stress and inadequate sleep when taken along with low-calorie diet and regular exercise. It is 100% vegetarian, all natural, no added sugar, and this mixed fruit flavor contains 50 servings per container. It can easily be incorporated in your lifestyle because its consumption is very simple. Just 1 tablespoon of this powder in 200 ml of water, mix it well together and you can enjoy this mixed fruit flavor. It not only helps in balancing the hormones but also helps in getting great results with respect to reducing your stress and increasing your energy levels. Also, it eventually results in regular period cycle. So do try it out and link would be there in my description. Use my code GGT10 to get extra discount on this HK Vital PCOS Balance. This just 1 glass of HK Vital PCOS Balance can actually help you balance your hormones and get good results with respect to PCOS. Foods that I don't recommend in PCOS, first is the refined carbs for sure. Everything in moderation is good, but make sure that refined carbs and processed sugar is something that you need to avoid. Now, lactose intolerance that you might develop because of the medication and PCOS, that is, you feel bloated after having lactose-based products. So, going for plant-based milk is a solution. Second important tip has to be getting better with your exercise plan. Now, because most of us who develop PCOD, the major problem is the weight, and the only thing that can help you reduce your weight is the calorie deficit. So with the 5 meal planning that we have done, the portion control is important, that limited portions, eating exactly what you need for your body, having complete balanced meal, and along with that do good amount of exercise. Now when I say good amount of exercise, it's important that you don't engage yourself into very high intensity exercise. Just go with a low intensity exercise but for a longer period of time. This can help you build endurance. So for example, instead of going for 20 minutes of running, you can go with 50 minutes of walking. This always helps because when your body is overweight, you will not be comfortable doing 20 minutes of running at a stretch. It will make you feel uncomfortable, your knees will hurt. So in this case, going for 15 minutes walk is always a better thing to do. So yes, definitely go for 15 minutes of walk. This will help you get better with the symptoms of your PCOD because it will help you reduce your weight by maintaining a good calorie deficit because you burn more calories than you consume. Third important point is your sleep schedule. Now, any ailment, be it diabetes, PCOD, thyroid, high blood pressure, everything is related to the normal lifestyle that you develop for yourself. So in that normal lifestyle, the very important role that plays is a sleep cycle. If you're not sleeping on same time every day, it will affect your body because you are on medication as well. Your stress levels are increasing, your body will fluctuate with its hormones. So you need to set time for everything. You need to set time for your lunch, you need to set time for your dinner. We will talk about timing in the next point, but for now, sleep schedule is very important, and it's very important for you to set a same time to sleep every day. So if you're sleeping at 12, then sleep at 12 every day and wake up at per se 8 or 7, whatever, but have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep and sleep at same time every day. Next very important time is the time schedule. Make sure that you regulate your day and make a proper schedule for yourself. I know it's difficult. I know not everybody can do it in a day or a two, and I also falter, and I am not able to keep up with my schedule, but it's important to keep up with your time schedule. If you confuse your body will confuse you, and you're already on medications of PCOS and PCOD, you're already fighting an ailment, you're already fighting a disease. So you need to come up with a proper time schedule for yourself. You need to give your body a complete pattern that it needs to follow. If you confuse it by having lunch someday at 2 and then someday at 4, by having your dinner someday at 6 and then someday at 12, then it will get confused and you will see the repercussions as in form of developing these ailments. So yes, in order to reduce it, make sure that you have a particular set time schedule for everything that you do, be it your lunch, your dinner, your sleep, your exercise, everything should be in proper time and that time should be set. So yes, these were all important set patterns. This is a complete lifestyle change that you need to incorporate. First is your nutrition, second is your exercise, third is your sleep, and fourth is your time schedule. Follow these 4-step process to develop a plan for yourself, and you can see that you will get better with PCOS and PCOD for sure. And now, having said all of these things, there are some important parameters that you need to take care when with respect to nutritional planning of PCOD and PCOS. So if you want to get more in detail, you can enroll to any of my programs from GGT Fit that is specially designed for PCOS reversal. You can find the link in my description that can actually help you in getting better with PCOS and PCOD and many other ailments. So you will get all the nutritional important information, your complete meal plan, the diet plan, and the exercise, the workout, and everything is there in those programs. So you can enroll for that as well. And for now, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon along, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy.